Have you ever found a new YouTube channel and you are interested in possibly figuring out what is this channel about? And then you click on it and you're really not sure. If that's ever happened to you, you know how frustrating it can be. Stay tuned in this video because I'm going to tell you how you can make it so when people come to your channel, they know exactly what it is your channel is about and whether or not they should subscribe. Hi, my name's Anita, and I own FDS Creatives. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners just like you get more visible through video marketing and content repurposing. I'm going to invite you to grab my free guide to the top mistakes people are making on YouTube. Some of those we're going to cover in this video, but to get the full list, go ahead and click the link below. Before we dive in, I'm going to go ahead and ask you to subscribe and hit the like button. This really tells YouTube that you like content like this, and I would love to be a helpful spot in your inbox. All right, let's dive in. So when you come to a YouTube channel, one of the first things you'll notice is the top image, which is the banner or cover photo. It's really helpful if the channel even has a banner, but it's also helpful if in that cover you give information about what should be expected. So who are you and how often are you putting up videos? Giving this kind of information can tell people whether or not this is an active YouTube channel or not. And you're going to get the best success on YouTube if you continue to upload consistently. So go ahead and make the commitment to yourself that once a week, you're putting up a video. These videos don't have to be super long or super fancy, but committing to get a video up once a week is going to really help you with consistency on YouTube, which is absolutely going to help you grow. Tip number 2 for helping people to understand what it is your channel is about is your channel trailer or the intro video that you have on your channel. See, you have the opportunity to put a video on your channel that auto plays when people come here. And it's really helpful if this is a short video, 1 to 3 minutes, that really highlights what is it that you do? Who is it that you serve? How is it that you help people? What's your product? Helping people to know exactly who you are is going to be beneficial so they can self-identify, is this a YouTube channel for them? And here's the truth. The subscribers that you want people who are actually interested in what it is you're doing. Vanity numbers do not help anybody. Tip number 3 for making sure people know what your YouTube channel is about is filling out your description. On YouTube, you do have the opportunity to write a description to let people know who it is that you are and what your channel is going to be about. This is a great opportunity for you to set the tone of your channel and also establish for yourself, what is this channel going to be about? For a YouTube channel to be a business asset, it really does need to be focused on what it is that you do or how you serve. That doesn't mean that you can never talk about anything else. But if you do so, I'm going to encourage you to do it within your videos so people can get to know you. For instance, if you've watched any of my videos, you probably know that I enjoy coffee. But I'm not necessarily making YouTube videos on coffee because that's not my product nor my service. My channel is focused on video marketing and social media strategy. And I talk a lot about different ways to accomplish those goals so that you can still do the things you need to do in your business and for your family. Now, here's the truth. If you don't know what your YouTube channel is about, nobody else is going to either. So it's really important when you're using YouTube for business to make sure that you take the time to sit down and really establish in your mind and for yourself, what is this channel about? You want your YouTube channel to be a business asset. And while you may not think of it being an asset when you're first getting started, someday your YouTube channel could be an asset to the business that you could actually sell. Now, if you found these tips helpful, I want you to go ahead and watch the video that I'm going to put on the screen, which is what to say in your first or next YouTube video. That's going to give you a lot of tips that are going to help the other videos on your channel really tell people what your channel is about and help you to be successful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.